So just allowing the spine to be nice and upright. And then just let's take a couple of just nice, long, intentional breaths. Just simply being aware as we breathe in and as we let go and breathe out. Breathing in, we're breathing out. And then just normal breathing. You're just letting breathing happen. And as you observe the breath coming and going as it wishes, I'd like you to simply just place the tip of your tongue just behind and above the back of your front teeth. So it's just touching the little ridge between your teeth and your upper palate. Just let the tip of your tongue just rest here. And as we sit, I'd like you to begin to smile gently. Maybe ever so subtly. It's just a tiny lift of the corners of your mouth. It's that sort of little smile that we give to ourselves when we perhaps remember a joke from the day before. It's that natural smile to ourselves. And with it too, we might often find some change in the cheeks, maybe a lifting of the cheeks. Or letting it be natural, a relaxed, easy smile. And notice how when we give a genuine, warm smile, that there's a lifting quality to the mood. There's a lifting, a relaxing quality to the muscles of your face. There's a relaxing lightness that we bring to the whole of the head. We just allow a warm, natural smile to begin to form. We feel the corners of the mouth begin to spread and we begin to feel good inside. As you sit, I'd like you to begin to focus on that little point between the eyebrows, just at the top of the ridge of the nose. Imagining here that the warmth of this natural smile might begin to pull and collect just here. So just inside your imagination here, imagining or warming here between the eyebrows, a pooling perhaps of this soft smile and the energy it brings with it. Collecting here like a pool of warm water. And imagine that warmth then. Warmth from that smile between our eyebrows can begin to spread. Let it spread so that it begins to fill the whole of the head. Not just on the outside, but on the inside too, so that warmth, that inner smile, we might feel it. Also is between our ears, from one ear to another. It fills the space inside our head. Feel the softening that happens with a smile. A warm, a genuine inner smile. Let it collect, let it spread. Feel its warmth. Let it spread into all the muscles of the face, as if you could smile with all the muscles. Allow that warmth, that inner smile to spread into the eyes, so that your eyes could relax and you could see the world through smiling eyes. And this warmth, this inner smile that we've allowed to begin to build, allow it to flow down now to anywhere in the body that maybe feels a little bit tight or tense in any way. Let it flow like warm water, softening as it goes, moving to all the muscles and joints and areas that need just releasing, warming. Maybe any areas where we've had some injury in the past, here too, just allowing it to collect. Just collect and sit in these areas, warming, releasing. This inner smile being drawn to all the little corners of the body that need it, that would welcome this chance to just release. This warm inner smile can just soak through your body like a sponge absorbing warm water. It can be drawn into areas that are large. It can be drawn into tiny areas. It can flow through muscles that are tight, and it can flow into the tiniest of spaces between joints, anywhere it's needed, so that all these parts of the body can begin to glow with this inner warmth, this inner smile, natural releasing. And allow that warmth and energy to begin to collect around and in the heart. We're bringing that warmth, that healing here, right in the chest. Let it infuse the heart, the spaces around it. Smiling from the heart. And then feel it just begin to pull further down, just around the navel area. Dantian, this energy center in Chinese medicine. Just the space just behind your navel. Just imagine it pulling here for warmth. And then here, just feeling it settle here. You can release the tongue from the back of the teeth and just simply sit and smile. And tuning into your body, feeling it now. And you'll have some instinctive sense if your body wishes to stay sitting for the last 10 minutes or so. Or if your body would like to come and lay down and just really spread out and get comfortable, you can do that now. Continuing to sit or just coming to lay. Getting some warm things on. Really settling. And if you've changed posture, take a moment to just feel this body anew. New position. New sensations. Gravity inviting your head and limbs down in different directions now. And here too, feeling the press of your body against whatever you're laying on. And if you're still sitting here, an invitation just to feel again those points of support, of contact from whatever you're sitting on. Perhaps you might notice that it doesn't take effort to just feel your body. To feel the surface on which you're sitting or laying. Those sensations are already there. We're just turning our attention to them. In the same way, all those sensations, all those feelings that come with breathing, they're also here. And you might just move your attention to them and just feel what is actually happening when we breathe. And this is not something to puzzle or think about mentally, but just simply feel any parts of your body that are moving as you breathe. What are the feelings in your body that tell you it's breathing? And there's nothing to make sense of, there's nothing to puzzle out. It's just feeling the changes in your body that happen when you breathe in, when you breathe out. And whatever experiences you notice, whatever feelings or movements you notice are just right. They're what you're noticing. And watching the breath like this can be very calming. Watching the breath coming in and without making any effort to change it in any way. You're like sitting watching the sea rolling in and rolling out on the beach. It has its own rhythm. And the mind likes a natural rhythm. We can rest our attention on the simple flow in and out of breathing, of that rise and fall of belly or chest. And so you can just allow yourself to just sit and become absorbed just with the feeling of your body as it breathes.